Hello and welcome to another Maui vlog. Today I am with Eric. Eric came with me this time, which is so much better. We are just gonna have a family beach day because the Fisher family are a little busy today, so we're just gonna jet off to the sun. And yes, we are escaping winter in Idaho. It's a lot different than visiting from California, for sure, and it's been so nice to just soak up the sun. Eric and I just got done with a little baby moon. We went to a hotel for a couple nights and just enjoyed the pool, enjoyed some kid free time, just preparing for becoming parents again. And it was so necessary, and it was like one of those moments where we're thinking, you know, we should live like this more often. Take care of ourselves and take some time to just relax. Relaxing has never been my forte, but I'm getting better at it. That's a tiny bit of red.
Looking sandwich.
Lame.
That's how you gotta do it. You don't just make one sandwich. You make 2 giant sandwiches.
Yeah. We are in the forest right now, going on a hike. It's one of my favorite things on the island is this beautiful forest. It's very windy. The trail is a mess because it was extremely windy last night. We're like a little scared a branch might fall on our heads. I'm feeling so good. Feeling so good. Hello, I am back in Idaho. Let me make sure my mic is on. And I just did not have the time to round out my video. And I feel like I barely talked to you guys, and Ellen and I were laughing because every time I film there, she's like never in my vlog at all. I don't know why. We over the years, you know, putting your life online and just filming so many lifestyle vlogs, it just kind of you kind of get bored of showing the same thing over and over, and get bored of like sharing everything. And when I visit, I just want to be really present with my family. So we spent a lot of time with family. We spent a lot of time at the house, honestly, because we had a lot of rainy weather. And so we just did like homeschool lessons together. And Ellen and I got into a really good conversation about my upcoming birth, because I'm giving birth so soon. I'm like 30 weeks now? I don't really know. Does it really matter? I'm in my 3rd trimester. I'm a couple months away from baby, and I am getting so excited to give birth again because, come here. Yes, my last birth, my birth with Cosmo, November 2020, was amazing. It was the most surreal, craziest experience of my life. And you know it's gonna be intense, but it's that first time where you're doing it and then baby comes out and you pull your slippery baby up to your chest. It's like the most joyous, ecstatic, euphoric thing ever. It was long and hard. It was like one of the hardest things I've ever done. It was work, for sure. And going into this next birth, I'm really excited to see what it's gonna be, because my first birth was so empowering. It was truly like, I look back on it with such fondness. There's nothing I would really change, to be honest, because it was so empowering. Like I felt so empowered at the end, and I felt really respected by all of everyone who is on my birth team. Eric is building our bookcase right now, which is the saw that you're hearing in the background. If you can hear that, he's in the garage working. And now with this next birth, I have an amazing midwife here. And anyway, I'm very much looking forward to it. And Ellen and I got into a really good conversation all about birth, because I just wanted more of like a pep talk and just going into it with the right mindset and right plan. And I almost wish we kept saying like, man, we should record this conversation because it's so good. But essentially, we just kind of went over everything that's in our birth course again, and going into it, like just talking about it, like and really envisioning. Anyway, I just love connecting with all of you guys who are pregnant with me. I cannot believe how many of you are pregnant at the same time, especially crazy. You guys were also pregnant with me when I was pregnant with Cosmo, so it's just really cool that we get to become mothers again together. And anyway, I received so many questions about how I prepare for birth, how I take care of my mind and body during pregnancy. It's something I'm very intentional about, and I'm having an outrageously wonderful pregnancy, like feeling really, really good and energized. And yeah, there are moments where I don't want to be pregnant anymore because, you know, my high-waisted jeans are just sitting there being so cute in my closet and I can't wear them. And also, eating is really fun, but it's also a chore because I'm hungry all the time. The end. I'm home. My tan is fading quickly. My skin is back to being dry.